Hey guys, hey YouTube, hello, good evening everyone. I'm so glad to be here with you guys. You couldn't even imagine. Oh my god, let's continue learning this. It's my speaking challenge every single day until get fluency. I will speak on camera, and this is the number 37. Today I have some really interesting news. First of all, I bought this my favorite pineapple juice, and I'm gonna drink it right now with a cookie after filming this video. Really, I'm so happy right now. And by the way, I wanna just share with you about my personal life right now, not about only English I will speaking questions. Как говорится, бог с ними. Look at this, check this out, guys. I've got like an American jacket. That's my friend's. He's gifted me for free. Absolutely. Like, is it cool or it's awful? Tell the truth, please, in the comments. Should I wear it on? This is like a child style. I don't know. It's popular in America right now. So what else? Yeah, about my audience. It's grown up crazy. It's like I saw your comments, guys. And I'm so inspired and happy that you are here. For example, I saw from Australia, I'm a subscriber woman from Australia. You also like blogger, and I subscribe on these vlogs from Australia, like school works from school, job from school, and that's really great when we can get closer thanks to YouTube. Yeah, really, we can unite in the big community. Like I've got a message. Even in a comment from some expert examiner IELTS, this YouTube channel, I can see it right now. And you suggested me, if you're watching this, you suggested me to participate in real, not real, just a simulation of IELTS speaking test and on his channel, and just to try myself to participate in his video. Yeah, would you like, guys, to see me in other channel in real live it's not gonna be live, just in real conversation, in real IELTS speaking test. And after all this, I will upload this video on my channel, and this bro will upload it on his channel. So it's gonna be a really good experience, but I'm a little bit nervous to become a participants in real IELTS speaking test. Honestly, a little bit nervous, but leave the comment, should I go or should I not, and stay in my channel, to stay talking only like by myself. Leave the comment. Is I really need to support right now to make this step. So what else? Yeah, and I saw also the comment, like some bro suggested me, like he called it categorical themes of conversation, of speaking, and I've decided right now to a little bit change my strategy. So I found on internet just a website, always in description, this website with the questions, this 99 categorize questions, conversation topics for anyone. And I thought if I start do it like through all 9 questions to practice not only in IELTS questions, but step over it and leave this barrier, leave this like a border in real conversation, in real life, and more deeply maybe. And unfortunately, the first question, just take a look please on this. It sounds like, which scent do you find the most soothing? And right now I have several questions. First of all, honestly, unfortunately, I have no idea what means scent, how is it spelled, and soothing. I'm gonna be honest, I have no idea what this means, what it means. I've never come across these words in my entire English speaking experience. So, but obviously I already figured out that means. But anyway, interesting. Oh, it sound here. All right. Honestly, for me, this not such a superficial question and answer, because I'm not in a sense in perfume topic at all. Even in Russian language, I would have difficulty to answer clearly but I'm supposed to say something, and I would say that if I really have to choose some scents, I would say some fruits. Some fruit, pineapple, why not? Pineapple scent, pineapple smell, it will be really great. Yeah, perfume with pineapple, I don't know, does it exist or not? Alright, let's move on. What is the language you love to listen to, even if you don't speak or understand it? Yeah, there is such a language. I love listen German language. It sounds for me really unique, and maybe you know that at school I've learned already German language 9 years. 9 years, can you imagine? But now I can't speak and don't remember almost anything. But I like the sound, and I got used to listen a lot when I was a schoolboy, German, and just in lessons at school. And I talked to pretty good in the past, but now I'm not. So I like this. I like German language. Maybe in the future I will learn it. I will learn it more deep. Ocean or mountains? Why? Definitely ocean. Definitely ocean. Not really a fan of mountains. I don't know. For me, this like such a clear answer. Like even when compare ocean, really hot climate, tropical climate, this beach, palms, ocean, waves, beautiful sunsets, or I don't know, you can rent some boat and fishing, swimming, diving with the corals, observation the ocean, and enjoying the fish. The ocean world, ocean animal worlds, ocean environment, that's word into my soul. Because I remember when I was first, I've actually the fact I've never been in the ocean. I've never swam in the ocean. The fact, just yeah, I've been only in the sea. But anyway, I was in the Red Sea in Egypt, and it was fantastic, wonderful, really unforgettable experience. When we with my father diving with the seeing corals and so just enormous amount of beautiful, colorful fish. It was something incredible, and I don't know. That's my dream. That's my dream to live somewhere near the ocean and have an opportunity to wake up in the morning and go to ocean and maybe some running, exercise, swimming, or surfing. Surfing, that's really another thing. Whatever, like. But mountains, no, what are mountains? It's sometimes, mostly it's cold, yeah, in mountains you can practice ski or something, hike in the mountains. Yeah, it's obviously good when you look at the nature and breathe in the fresh air, you know, pines, but we can't compare it with ocean. That's my point of view. Good practice, no doubts. Alright guys, alright. This evening is done. IELTS, not IELTS, just speaking is done for me. It's time to take a break somewhere and drink pineapple juice. Thank you everyone for being here. Thank you. Let's learn languages, do our best, and become really successful people, guys. Because we can do it. We can do it, definitely. We can do it. We can learn anything. Just need to be dedicated and consistent. Yes, let's go.